You searched how to buy shares of West African Resources Limited, and this video will walk you through the steps. West African Resources Limited is a West African gold explorer and miner listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker WAF.ASX, and this content is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WAF.ASX to locate the listing. Make sure you select the CBOE AUS entry that matches West African Resources Limited. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to review recent movement and basic information. Confirm the name and ticker to ensure this is the correct West African Resources Limited listing. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will request you add them before completing the purchase. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and manage alerts. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.